Automating financial data ingestion from Cimex, a Princeton-based software development company with over 30 years of experience building automation solutions for complex financial and operational environments. For 3 decades, we have helped organizations reduce manual processing, improve data accuracy, and strengthen operational control. Our focus has always been the same: transforming inconsistent, document-driven workflows into structured, reliable data systems. Our technology supports thousands of organizations globally, helping finance teams operate with greater accuracy, efficiency, and control. Across industries, finance teams receive a constant stream of financial documents. Tax forms, invoices, reports, transaction files, regulatory summaries, client statements, each arrives in a different format, each must be processed, each affects your analysis and reporting. In many firms, this data is still extracted manually, reviewed, copied, adjusted, and reconciled inside spreadsheets. It works until volume increases, until formats change, until deadlines tighten. For finance teams, this creates more than inefficiency, it creates exposure. Your internal systems are structured and controlled, but incoming financial reports are not. That disconnect forces your team to act as translators between inconsistent external documents and your standardized reporting environment. That translation layer is where time, cost, and risk accumulate. Cimex TextConverter eliminates that manual translation layer. It automatically extracts, standardizes, and loads financial data from virtually any format: PDF, Excel, HTML, emails, and web portals, directly into your internal systems. No dependency on counterparties changing their reporting formats. Whether a report contains summary sections, detailed transaction tables, or multi-page breakdowns, TextConverter maps each level into clean, structured output. As extraction rules are configured, the system visually links output fields to their original document source, providing full transparency and validation. The result is consistent validated financial data, ready for export to accounting systems, data warehouses, reporting platforms, or regulatory submissions. No rekeying, no spreadsheet dependency, no repetitive reconciliation work. Extraction rules are transparent and configurable. Validation and transformation logic is built in. Data lineage is preserved. You maintain oversight without relying on manual processes. For finance professionals, the impact is measurable: shorter reporting cycles, lower operational risk, improved audit readiness, and scalable growth without proportional increases in staff. This is operational control at scale. TextConverter works alongside your existing infrastructure. No system replacement, no disruption. If your finance team is still manually consolidating third-party financial reports, there may be a significant opportunity to reduce risk and improve efficiency. TextConverter will help turn unstructured documents into reliable, scalable financial operations.